Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching us how you can turn your Facebook account into a professional page and start earning money from it. So many people have been telling me to do this tutorial and here I am today. Let's go guys. Now this is my phone, this is my Facebook app. I click on my Facebook app. Then you see this your profile on top. You click on your profile that is on top. When you click on your profile, is going to bring you to this place. You see these three dots here, three dots by the right hand side. You click on those three dots. Once you click on those three dots, it's going to bring out this page. Then you see a place they say turn on professional mode. Once you turn the professional mode on, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see turn on. They're going to tell you the benefit that you're going to get paid, you're going to be see your inside and lots more. So and now I've turned the professional mode on, and this is another place that it brought me to. Now this place they say I should add my bio, my profile picture, my cover picture. I have my cover picture already there, my profile picture is already there, and my bio is not there already. My bio is just to let people know what your channel is all about. Just tell people about you. Okay, that's just the description of your channel. In total, what your channel is just all about. Okay, now I'm going to do like let me just type something like this is a mukbang channel. Like if people come to your page, like your channel, if people come to your page, what are they expecting to see? So that's what your bio means. Okay, that's the description. So now let me just put it. This is a mukbang page. You press on save. Once you save it, this is what you're going to see again. The next thing is just to create your content and to add details about yourself. What is details about yourself? Tell people what your life, what they want to know about you, the things you want them to know about you. So you see the profile picture, the cover page, and the bio. Now it's ticked green. I'm done with those ones. So now let me come to this place now and tell you guys about myself. Okay, so let me start to say details about myself or what I want you guys to do for me. I can now say, please welcome to my channel, or welcome to my page. Welcome to my page. Please subscribe and like my videos, or whatever you want to write. Okay, you just write things about your welcoming address, about yourself, or whatever you want to put on. Okay, it's all left for you. It's all left for you. Okay, now I'm just writing something. Welcome to my page. Please like and share my videos. That's just it for me. It's just a very simple thing. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll click and they've brought me back to this place. This is my main page, the blessing dossier, the one that I'm converting to a page. And I click yes, and it now brought me back to this main place. You see, you know that this place now is now completed. That ticked green on it, which means I've completed this step. Okay, now back to my page. Now you see my page. You see how it's now showing now. Okay, let it bring back this my page link and whatever. So I'm trying to go back to that place. Let's see what it is showing, if the professional mode is on now or not. Let's see now. Can you see it? It has turned from friends to followers. Now I'm now having 575 followers and I'm following 44 people.